Conversation 1.
What are you cooking? It smells great.
I'm making chicken stew.
Ooh, it looks so good.
Here, have a taste.
Oh my gosh. This tastes fantastic.
I'm so glad you like it.
Conversation 2.
Wow, you look stunning.
Thanks. I have a date.
Ooh, where are you going?
I'm going to the new Mexican restaurant.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
I'd invite you, but...
Yeah, I know. It's a date. Have fun.
Conversation 3.
What's wrong? You look terrible.
I feel terrible. I have a cold.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Any advice?
Well, I hear vinegar and lemon juice helps.
That sounds awful. No thanks.
Conversation 4.
I like your sweater. Is it wool?
No, it is cotton. Feel it?
Wow, it feels so soft.
It is. It is so comfy too.
It looks comfy. I want one.
Well, Christmas is almost here. Maybe someone special might get you one.
Ooh, that sounds promising.